Hey, it's Mr. W. It's time for
AP Bio Review.
The diagram below represents signal transduction. It's from the Biomania AP Bio Review System. Study this image and the questions that follow it. Pause, write out your answer, then hit play to see my answer. Here's the answer. Complementarity is one of the most important ideas in biology. It's when molecules or larger structures fit together because their shapes match. Notice that the shape of the ligand is complementary to the shape of the receptor, like a lock and a key or a hand and glove or people and love. Other receptors have different shapes and they won't bind with this receptor. That ensures that only cells with the target receptor respond to this signal. Now let's look at part 2. This cell communication pathway uses a second messenger system. This is very common with protein hormones like insulin. The first messenger is the ligand itself, which binds at the membrane. The second messenger is a second molecule that goes from the membrane into the cytoplasm to activate some type of cellular response. A common second messenger is cyclic AMP or CAMP. Cyclic AMP in turn activates other relay molecules such as protein kinases, creating a signal transduction pathway. Okay, now the third part of this question. In this system, the ligand is binding at the membrane, but not entering into the cell. That is typical of protein hormones, which use signal transduction via second messengers. A steroid hormone like estrogen or testosterone would diffuse through the membrane and bind with a cytoplasmic receptor. A hormone receptor complex would then diffuse into the nucleus, activate genes, and change the activities of the cell. Now let's look at part 4. One possible cellular response is activation of enzymes. An example of this is when liver cells respond to the fight or flight hormone epinephrine by activating enzymes that break down glycogen into glucose. Then that glucose diffuses into the bloodstream and you can use it to run or fight. To get ready for the AP exam, you should be doing many questions like this every day. And you can do this using the Biomania AP exam preparation system that'll get you a 4 or a 5 on this year's AP Bio exam. I'll see you at the next question of the day. Thank you.
AP Bio Review.